Guys, we've never seen a stall with this plane. I want to see a stall. 50% power. Climbing, 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 climbing. Guys, it just doesn't want to stall. That was me turning into the pseudo stall. For a high-speed pass on. If I go straight over my head, I'm safe, right?
Yep.
Straight over my head at this angle.
Yep.
You get that okay?
Yep.
Cool. We do the same thing the other way. Come back to throttle. Coming into it low. Full speed. Try to gain a little altitude, guys, so I can avoid that light pole. You never know if you've got it exactly right when you have to turn. That's one of the things they tell you is try not to fly so you're turning around. But you know what? Guys, I fly where I can fly when I can. Some people have complained about, oh, I can't believe you fly so close to cars and property. Well, you know what? Sorry. Oh man, that sun came out at a bad time, didn't it?
Yep.
Sorry. I'm gonna go around about a minute 50. I want to see how we look on this final approach. Kick down the gear. Put on the flaps. You see the gear knob?
Yes.
Flaps. Hey, look at that rollout. That's like the A320, guys. 450 miles long. The difference is I meant to roll out. Trying to drag it out for a full-scale landing. Got a minute 17. I'm taking off again. Guys, this is running on a 45C battery. High quality, heavy duty Turnigy. Gear down. Coming in straight to a final. How's the gear, huh?
Good.
Okay. I don't like it. Going around, guys. Maybe I was just a little too aggressive on the speed for getting back into that final. But we're going to do it right this time. Gear down, take off flaps. Relaxing into my final approach here. Cutting the throttle about 15-20% throttle. We got a little bit of crosswind. We're going to deal with it. We're going to keep off the full flaps. We're going to drag this one out. Full flaps are on. Guys, it looks so cool when it comes in fast like that because the real ones do too, but you know what? I'll take it. That's 2 landings within a minute and 30 seconds. Beautiful plane. No damage to speak of. Can't complain, guys. Go get one. If you haven't already bought one, go do it tonight. Motion RC, among other places, but just go there because they'll take good care of you. Ultra fast shipping. They'll send you landing gear when they get all screwed up because Dynam gear are weird. And you're going to love the plane. You won't regret it unless you crash it into a pole first flight, and then you will regret it. So don't do that.